Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shapes transparent in Google Slides. This skill can be incredibly useful when designing presentations that require a cleaner, more sophisticated, or layered look. Whether you're creating infographics, overlays, or subtle design accents, adjusting transparency adds a professional touch to your slides. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open Google Slides in your web browser. If you're not signed in, make sure to log into your Google account so you can access your files and save your work seamlessly. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you can either start a blank presentation or choose from one of Google's many templates if you'd like a pre-designed format. Templates are especially helpful when you want quick inspiration or want to maintain a professional layout. Next, it's time to insert a shape. Go to the toolbar at the top and click on the shape icon. From there, you'll find options for rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. Select the shape you want and click on your slide to place it. You can resize or reposition the shape as needed. Now comes the fun part, making it transparent. With your shape selected, navigate to the Format menu in the top bar and choose Format options. A panel will appear on the right-hand side of your screen filled with different customization tools. In that panel, look for the section labeled Adjustments or Opacity. This may vary slightly based on updates. Here, you'll see a slider that controls the transparency level of your shape. Drag the slider to the left to make the shape more transparent, or to the right to make it less transparent. You'll see the changes update instantly on your slide, allowing you to find the perfect level of visibility for your design. You can use this technique to layer shapes, create watermark effects, or blend visual elements for a modern look. Adjusting opacity helps emphasize important content while keeping your design balanced and uncluttered. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make shapes transparent in Google Slides. With this feature, you can add depth, contrast, and creativity to your presentations in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Slides tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.